Antalya. Roman gates, ancient ruins, turquoise coastline, and you're stuck behind a tour bus window. Overpriced group excursions. A guide rushing you through the old town, past ancient ruins, reciting dates while the real stories slip away. Uvamai's Antalya self-guided audio tour hands you the city's Roman gates, ancient cities, and hidden waterfalls for just $6. Your private access link arrives straight to you, audio guides, and an interactive map ready whenever you land. No bus. No rush. Your Antalya, your way. Walk beneath the towering marble arch of Hadrian's Gate and step into Kaleiçi's winding old town streets. Wander the harbor at Kaleiçi Marina and look up at the fluted minaret of Yivli Minare Mosque. Discover centuries of history at the Antalya Museum, then cool off at the roaring Lower Dudin waterfalls. Beyond the city, explore the sprawling ruins of Purge and the mountaintop ghost city of Termessos. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Antalya, not just photograph it. $6. Antalya's gates, ruins, and waterfalls. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.